Hi, hope you all are doing good. I'm fine as always. Desperate situation, that's how, as usual, I came to you people. I made a promise, I want to live up to the promise. I'll explain what is the promise and what is the expectation from you people. I hope and really believe that you would help me in this situation. You know, my extended family is going to happen now. A particular girl is going to come, and I told her just a week back that I would make sure and ensure over your, who's, how do I put it, like when you come to this family, you will never feel alienated. That's what the promise I've given. I don't know how I'm going to fulfill that promise. And I really thought family means it's not just my family, right? I consider and I evolve every single day through you people, my friends. So friends are a big part of my family. Just that the blood relation is not there, but I thought it is more important for me to introduce you people in a way that I want to, but it should not be my perspective alone. So I came up with this idea maybe a year or two before, but the promise was just very recent, 1 or 2 weeks back. So I thought I would get the help from you people as I visualize, then I'll make this happen. So promise is that now I'll create very obvious and what is clear-cut expectation. I want you to follow the guideline there because I'm so particular. It should not be whatever you guys are trying to do. What I'm going to explain now should not be about myself at all. So that I want to be very clear about it. So it's just a video representation of yourself that I'm expecting, but in a way that I can put it this way. Okay, it's very clearly it's about the girl Meena Meenakshi and about our relationship that we two share, unique ones as usual, and about what she is getting into. Maybe me, like in your perspective, what is she getting into this family? What you know, what you think, or what you feel about me is what we have to incorporate in this video. I know it is so meticulous and I'm just explaining as a rules or guideline, but so much emotional thought process has been put into this place. I don't know how to explain in words. But that's why I haven't prepared what I'm speaking right now. Also, it's just coming naturally to me, and however I visualize, how would I explain it to people. And I long thought for a week that I would just type in like usually my great broadcasts or what huge messages or such. And I thought 50% would read through it completely, or 50% would depend on their free time. I thought it is much more important than me, or when compared to my broadcast. So I thought I would do this video representation. I'm little nervous. I'm not expressing the intuitive happy feeling or excited feeling, but I'm really feeling that way. So I thought I would do this video, and that would convey how much it means to me. Because you might think this is a ridiculous idea. You might be shy in doing this. However it is, I sweetly, damnly expecting you to do this. Whoever I'm sending this video to. After you watch this video, I would definitely call you and explain in other terms, maybe a normal chat. But maybe a line I told you about you are my family. Does that feel so exaggerated, or am I doing this a sweet thing? No, absolutely not. I just want to explain it more because even my day's dinner, when my parents are not around, I'm just going outside, I keep on thinking 20 to 25 people who are involved with me, what kind of food they would love if we were all together, how would I select a food, how would we even select a restaurant, that kind of feeling. Now I've been part of 3 demographics, 3 different ones, but culminatingly so great friends. Obviously my native, when the place where I grew up here, every weekend I would plan to play cricket, and then what we discuss about that is Chennai, maybe my native too. Then I would say cultural amalgamation of a place where in Bangalore everybody came together, and I had a different life experience there. Now professionally being in Mumbai, planning all those weekend activities, like whenever I decide now Saturday or Sunday what should we do, every single morning I go to Mumbai. Last 6 months, how would I spend there, how would I plan, and not just this trips, foods, all other flashy enjoyable stuff alone. When I make my life decisions as well, there are absolutely 30 to 35 people who come into my mind who speak, I would say, who converse with me, help me take the decision, put various perspectives representing society. So that's how I live, that's how I roll. So friends or not a namesake at all family for me. Those are so important to me. That's why I want you people to introduce yourself in your own version, where I just sat next to her and explained my version too. It's something that I've been, like past 2 years I've been wanting to do. I don't know how it's going to go, how the girl is going to receive. But you know me, I believe in something and I go ahead with that. Even if it's bad or good, I just live with that. I don't have any regrets that time. But if I don't do this, I'll regret the rest of my life at all. So coming back to the video, I require not less than a 90-second video, which is 1.5 minutes. Maybe you can take how much of a time you want to. I know my friend is taking this video, is also like struggling a lot for me. I actually dragged him all the way here to hold this camera at least for 5 minutes straight together. Let's just come back to this point. Yeah, not less than 90 seconds and maximum of your own choice. It might be even 450 minutes, 500 minute lengthy compilation of my friends' things. I don't mind at all, and hopefully she don't mind at all. Very important thing, this video that you're going to speak to or record should not be addressing me. That is the first and foremost thing. You address with the name Meenakshi or Meena, however you want to call it, or even say gentle hi, but the video is video is for her, not for me. So you address her, then you explain our relationship. How did we get to know? What is something unique between us, like in our relationship? I wanted to explain our relationship in your own way. Like we got to know from school and then we had this life together, whatever it is, your creative way, that is second part. Then finally, with no filter at all, you just explain to her what she is getting into, that is me, your own version of it. That's it. Like that is what I'm expecting, and expecting before November 30th for a reason. I'll explain the reason as well. But yeah, I expect it very badly. You take a week's time to think about what you want to speak, if you are really planning to in that way. Or if you're so random a person, just pick up the camera. I know you're all in so busy, hectic schedule. This takes a lot of time. Maybe 4 or 5 years back it would have been easy for you to get time, but right now it is not. I'm demanding a lot from you people, but yeah, please. Hopefully this is for your end friend. And after you watch this video, you please call me. I have something else to say very personally. Hopefully this shouldn't be a broadcast again. That's why I'm asking you to call me, people. Yeah, before November 30, and this is the day I expect you to record the video. And yeah, most important thing, don't do the selfie kind of a video or just portrait side of thing. Do it in landscape mode, because every other video has to be unique so that I get some smoothness into the compilation of the video. Those are all very technical parts of it, but yeah, that's sit in front of a tube light or anything so that your face is so visible. Normal place, your preferred attire, whatever it is, just in landscape mode and all these 3 guidelines. But I won't edit it at all. It's just going to be without any filter. I hope you do these guys. Thank you so much.